Welcome to all. So today we will learn how to roll back. So suppose if you had performed some activity in your organization and suddenly your customer is reporting that the application is not behaving well after the patching. Okay, so how you can do the rollback? So how to roll back your server if you have applied new patches or remove or update the packages. So how we can do that? So I will let you know today in this lecture. I will cover all these things here. So now here, let me log in this server. Okay, this is the IP and okay, so how you first how you applied the patches here. So first let's understand. So you have applied the patches like yum update and -y, you applied all the patches here. Okay, and if you this is the one method, you applied all the patches. Or second things, what you did a yum update and -, exclude, and you exclude some like a kernel packages here. Okay, kernel related, and -y means yes. Okay, I'm just doing a control C. So now after you did all the performed you this activity, and suddenly after that your customer have reported their application is not working, as expected. So they said you need to roll back. So how you can do the rollback? This is a very important question. So you need to use a yum history command. Okay, when you run the yum history, it will show you so I have executed some commands, so it's just waiting for. So yum history, it will show you all the history when you have installed your package, you're removed and upgraded. Okay, so let me open one more session here. Okay, so here let me show you here yum history here. So now you can see here yum history. So here you will find out transaction ID. It called a transaction ID. Transaction ID. This is a transaction ID, and you can see here I have installed some packages. I removed only some packages here. You can see removed came also here. This is a transaction 321, and command also it is showing here, and install. So here I have not performed here. So you can see when I have installed a Docker here, tree, I installed a Git, I installed Ansible. Okay, so I have installed these things here. I have installed EPL repo here, from a EPL. I will let you know. You can search on a web browser in the EPL repo, and there you can go the official website and you can find out the link there. Okay, so here, so now here I'm showing you here. This is here. So suppose if you did install, what it will do? It will remove. If you did a remove, what it will do? It will install. If you did upgrade, it will make a downgrade. So here, let me show you here. It is okay. Now here, and now it's came here. This is here. This server is mine on AWS server, and here it is our local server on ABM. So now you can see here I did a install and upgradation here. Okay, this is a transaction ID 8. And when I have installed HTTP and Ansible, I have installed here. Docker, I also installed here. And EPL repo here, I have installed here. So you can see install here. Okay, so now let's see, you want to see first information. How you can check yum history info, and let's see, I want to check a4 Docker here. I did installation here. Okay, so let me first show you 4. So here you will get a here which package I have installed that day. Okay, so right now package altered, you can see this package has been altered, and you can see correspondence repos as well also, from which repos, which repo ID these package has been installed here. So you can see all this package has been installed in this operating system here. Okay, so suppose if you want to roll back here, you have installed and you want to play a rollback, then you need to use a, instead of a info, let's do a undo. So what it will do, it will remove that packages here. Okay, so just I will show you. So now here dependency removing the package, I'm not going for removing, just I will make a no here. If it is installed, if it is installed, then it will goes to remove. If it is upgraded, then it will make a downgrade. So now let's see that example as well also. Let's say again yum history. So where we had did a hyphen I and you upgrade is there. Okay, let's do these things as well also. So first check here yum history. Let's check a info how many package has been installed new and upgraded. Let's check a transaction ID, that is 8. Okay, so now you can see some pack L here, these packages has been upgrade, and the 3 packages are installed new. So let's roll back here also. So instead of a info, I will do a undo. So which is installed new, they will goes to remove. Okay, so undo it, and here, okay, so no package matched here. So that is the one more point here. So when it is going to downgrade, okay, when it is going to downgrade, the older version must be there. Older package version must be there. Let's say you are working in your company. Let's say you are working in your company and you have configured a one yum server. Okay, yum server, you have configured this yum server, let's say on a CentOS 8. So now it is your individual responsibility to you need to keep latest as well as older version also, older version. So right now we are hitting public repo, so we can't blame to them. Okay, so right now downgrade package is not available, that was the reason I can't go for a downgrade. Okay, so downgrade package must be there, then I can go for a downgrade, either I can't go for a downgrade. Okay, so it is your individual responsibility. So suppose if you are managing yum server, so yesterday lecture you have seen I have downloaded some rpm .rpm package. After that I created a repo data directory using a create repo command, right? So like that you can create a your repo, you can create your different repo file. Yesterday we have created for a samba. If you want, you can create as per your package name, as per your as per according your customer requirement, you can do it. Okay, so here, so let me upgrade any package here. So yum, and let me check first, check update, and let's say beam is update is available or not. I'm just checking here. No, there is no update is available. So let me check hyphen update. What are the updates are available? Let's see, check it here. Okay, so there are a lot of things are available here. So I will take any net hyphen tools I have seen here. So let me check here. Yum update net hyphen tools package. Okay, let me update this package. Oh, this package dependency resolved. This package is not there. Check net. Let's see, let me search. If you want to search, you can use a search, and net hyphen tools, net tool. Let me search net tool, so it will. Okay, so this net tools is there here, and yum, I think check update is not, I think the update is not available. That was the reason it's not giving me. Naming is correct. Okay, naming is correct here. And let's see. Beam editor is also showing me yum update beam, and let me make a star. Okay, so now I have these packages to upgrade. So I make it a star. Let me install these packages here. Okay, let me upgrade these packages. So when I'm not making a star, so it's just finding beam. So but beam is, there is no update. So having other updates with a beam hyphen common or something. Okay, so here we have performed and upgraded. Now check it history. So what we did a upgradation here. Now check just yum history. So now you can see only upgrade came here in a picture here. Now what do we need to do? Let's check a info again. We will test the info. Let's say transaction ID. 9 is a transaction ID. So these packages, and what I want right now, I want to undo. Let's say, is it came or not? So if it is upgraded, then it will make a downgrade. But package must be there. Now you can see downgrading the package, it's able to find. So now you can see upgraded package version is a 1763. Okay, so 1763280. Okay, hyphen 16. You can see hyphen 16, and it will downgrade hyphen 15 here. Okay, if I make it a yes, it will make a downgrade. So like that, we can roll back in our industry. Okay, so here if you want to exclude any package, just you need to mention exclude is equal to kernel comma and separated by, if you want to give multiple packets, so zip you can mention here. Okay, or if you want to exclude some security package, you can use a exclude hyphen f exclude is equal to security. And if you want to check which packages are installed in your server, then you can use a yum list space installed. If you want to check how many packages are installed. Okay, installed packages only. So how we can check it here? So here, okay, so you can check here. Let me here. Okay, so yum list install. So here you can check all the installed the packages. These commands same rpm hype. Later we'll learn about these things as well also. So here you are getting all the installed package here, and using this yum list installed, you will get all the installed packages here. Okay, but if you do yum list, then you will get all the packages with the that is installed or not installed, all the packages. It means total number of packages available in all the repos. So if you see, I will use a wc-l. So you will get the total number of count. How many packages? Total 14,867 packages are available in all the repos, okay, which is repos enabled, not disabled, enabled repos. And if you want to see how many packages are installed, so you can, if you want to see the count, wc-l, sorry, about wc-l. So you can see only 484 packages are installed, but here you will get all the packages and you will get a respective repos name here. These are the respective repos name. Okay, so if you want to check only security updates, so you can use a yum check update security. Okay, so here, so if is there any security updates are available. Now you can see here there are some updates, or security updates are available. So unable to here. Okay, so Here this system is not registered to Red Hat because we are using a AWS Red Hat machine. So the server is not registered with the Red Hat satellite server. So Red Hat is providing enterprise service. Enterprise service means paid services, and they have their own like we have a Yum server, they called as a Red Hat satellite servers, and they will connect there, and they will we will connect them satellite server, and then we are downloading the package. So it is not connected there. Okay, so it is I think some public repo it is a connected, so only that package we are getting here. Okay, so check updates here, and if you want to download any package, we are using a yum downloader command, and hyphen resolve space python 3. What it will do, it will download all the dependencies with python 3. Okay, so yesterday lecture we have done it. Okay, and if you want to suppose you are downloading some package and you want to change the location, so yes, you can change the location here. So here, suppose I want to download this kernel package, but with this location, not for current location. So I need to use a hyphen desk directory, and let me run it, and it will download this package. Now this you can see ls hyphen ld slash where's temp. Okay, so now let me show the content here. Let me use a better to tree command. Okay, so now you can see the package has been downloaded here. So if you want, you can download, and if you use a hyphen resolve, so it will resolve the dependencies also. So let me use a hyphen resolve. Okay, so if I'm using, so what it will do, it will download the dependencies as well also. So now you can see it downloaded the dependencies. Okay, the fold dependencies, it is downloaded. Now you can see these are the package dependency downloaded here. Okay, so downgrade, we are using a yum downgrade. If you want to downgrade any package using a command, so if we have upgraded any package, we are using a yum downgrade. So here, so already I have here, let me show you here, yum downgrade, and package name, let's say BIM package. I want to downgrade the BIM package. What the condition is there, uh, older package version must be there. So right now we have a older version, so now you will see downgraded. I don't want to downgrade. Okay, so you can, like that, you can downgrade the versions. Okay, so already we performed a here, and in earlier lectures we have learned how to create a repo. Here we need to install a create repo, and after that you can create repo using a create repo command. You can create a repo data directory, and after that you can create your local repo. It is your repo id, repo name, and your path base URL is equal to file. It is your syntax here, with a double forward slash enabled one is enabled is equal to 1. Your repo is enabled. GPG check means you don't want to check the signature here. Okay, and now let's learn how you can install third-party EPL repos. So let's suppose you want to install a Ansible in a CentOS. So just search here EPL repo here. Once installed, here you will get official website here, docs Fedora project. Just click on it here. Okay, and choose your operating system here. It is CentOS 7 8, our is a 8, so I need to install this package. Okay, so with the yum you can install a directly package, so just copy, or we can use a DNF install EPL-release also, or either you can use this one, so DNF will also work. Okay, so let me here, and I will do it here, yum install. So what it will do, it will install this EPL repo. Okay, this EPL repo already in our system we have earlier installed, but okay, no. Okay, so now I can see it is saying already it's installed. If you want to check how many uh, uh, files are available are attached available for this package. So how you can check it, you can use a I can check here uh, rpm rpm-ql, and here so you can see all the repos came here. Even signature check is also came here. You can see this is signature. If you want to here you can see signature file here came here, and these are the repos came here. Okay, that was the reason I'm when you will use a yum and yum repo list, and after that you can see your EPL repo there, which is enabled here. Okay, and if you want to see all the enable and disable repo, then you can see it will show you which repos are enabled, which repos are disabled here. Okay, so like that you can, after that once you install this repo, if you want you can install now Ansible here. For example, this repos, why we need sometime some packages are missing in our CentOS public repo. So we need to use a third party, or those community, they are providing these packages, so we need to install. Same story for your Docker also. Suppose if you want to install a Docker, so yum install, so I need to install a Docker repo as well also. Okay, if I show you yum history, let me show you yum history info, yum history here. Okay, so here this is a here I will show you here. Docker is not here, so let me show you that if you want to get here, just search here here Docker repository. So registration Docker, so you will go on official website here, and you will find out the repo where is the Docker package are available. Okay, so where is Docker repository for CentOS 8. Okay, install Docker engine on CentOS here. So I'm just visiting on official websites here, and here you will get here, this is a repo here. Okay, so here you need to, so first be here, it say you can directly you can download this repo using a wget command. You have a two option, either if you want to download this repo, so we have a two choice. Either let's say I went in /temp here, and I want to wget command and download it here. Okay, so either I can download it using this one. You can see I have downloaded here docker-co.repo, and I can move it into move/etc yum.repos.d, and this is docker.c. Okay, so I need to move it. Sorry, it is from a temp. So suppose it is on a temp here, so it is a Docker, and where I need to move /etc yum.repos.d. Okay, I can move here. Already it's there. If I try to move, it's saying it's already, because already I copied here. Now I'm doing a cancel here. And another method is you need to install this utility, this yum install -y yum utils. So here yum -config manager is the command. It will add the repo. Okay, so let's install it here. So already I have installed this packages as well also, so it will say it is already installed here. So you can install this utility. So this utility will give you yum -config manager, and here if you want you can add repos here. So this is here, add hyphen repo and repo name. So what is the repo name is here, so which is we have downloaded here. This is a repo name. Okay, this is a complete with HTTPS. Okay, with complete. So what it will do, it will download, it will do same things which we did with the wget command. Okay, and it will enable it here. Okay, so Okay, so right now I'm doing a cancel here because already did it here. And with yum config manager, we can do other things also, like a yum repo list, and let me make a all. So here, suppose if any repo you want to make a enable from the command. So here, let's say extra source, it is a disable. You want to make a enable. So yum hyphen config manager hyphen hyphen disable, and this using a command you can also disable. Either you can make you need to go in a repo file and you need to make a enabled is equal to 0, or either from here, and you need to choose a repo id. Okay, so here, and let me make it a disable. Sorry, already it was disable, and let me make a enable here. So let's say I want to make a enable. Okay, now let me do it a yum repository. Now you can see it is enabled here. Earlier it was disable. Okay, and let's say if you want to make it disabled it again, and let's do a repository all. So using these commands, you can add a repo, you can enable a repo, you can disable a repo, so we can perform these actions.